Essential stop on the Kaimais. Fresh as drinking water. Seems suitable to stop here since we're going to go paint the Wai Horotiu. I mean, we are right on the side of the main highway with all sorts of trucks going by, but probably could have done this at some point before Queen Street was built. Straight off the maunga. Got life, got wairua, mana, aroha, and papatuanuku. It's kind of a, if you know spot. Made it up to the big smoke. Just need to pick up some canvases and some paint.
Usually with a mixing white, it's slightly less white.
It's not going to work, is it? Too wide with all of the gear. Painted this view so many times, so hopefully it's not too difficult. There's a big plastic shrink wrap on it. Good old lime works. Blocking the view.
I feel like I just need to sit down.
Looks like the cladding of the main spire of the town hall is being redone, so we've got a nice big plastic shrink wrap to draw inspiration from, but that's Tamaki Makaurau for you. So we have to use our imagination. But we could get a nice sunset with this low cloud, so we'll see which interesting characters come and say what's up. And try and block in a river instead of this concrete. Right next to the drain, so whatever Horotiu the Taniwha might have to add. It's just down there somewhere. It's pretty fascinating when you look at the history of Queen Street. This used to be like a big divide. That's why the town hall goes off in a V like that, but obviously later on they just turned it into Aotearoa Square and made a bit more of a people-friendly area, which is nice, you know. We've got the Riders Festival on over there. You get the ice skating rink every now and then if you're lucky. This is one of the first times I've really done a plein air painting, fully imagining a whole other area, another item in the painting. So we've not only got the river, but we've also got the top of the town hall. So really having to just go into this sort of zone of not taking any notice to my surroundings and focusing on the feeling of the area and make it a bit more swampy this time. The first painting I did was like this flowing sort of tsunami coming down Queen Street, but I know this was more of a natural spring. The lava tunnels that would come off Mangawhao. So quite swampy, lots of cabbage trees. There's lots of toy, lots of flax. You can kind of see it starting to take shape. Go for those reflections. There's lovely autumnal colours, eh? Where are you guys from?
Philippines.
Philippines! Oh, kia ora. We've got a nice glow in here. Very soft lighting. Lots of mauve, so I'm going to keep going. Hasn't changed too dramatically, so there's no panicking from me. That old Victorian colonial council looking stuff. Looks like it's got wigs on it, you know, dripping with wigs, and spires, and syphilis. Hey bro.
And the girl just up there sitting there.
Oh really? Sorry, me too. Got the chin here.
No, I I admire your technique.
Oh, cheers. You've got to be quicker, you're right. What am I look like with now? So maybe in the future when obviously they're going to get rid of Queen Street, we can bring back the what, you know.
So you're introducing 2 times.
Exactly. It's right there, you know, it's just under the drain, it's still flowing.
There's no drain
Is it?
in yours.
No, exactly. There's a real drain.
It looks like a train.
It does, eh? It's got that that rail-like formation to it. Oh look, here's the sun. This is what I came here for, man. Shit!
I don't want to sight.
No, it's okay. I just got to make sure I get some of the sunshine. Look at that. It's just. G'day.
What kind of painting you make?
I guess I don't know. He just called it a dreamscape or a futurescape or something because it's what used to be and what is now. This used to be like a stream, a river, the Wai Horotiu. It's sort of getting a bit dark now.
What it is now, what you can happen. Used to be a stream coming down there.
Yeah, that's the one.
Looks way better with the river road.
Oh no way! It's still there. It's still. Used to be the Wai Horotiu stream. It's trying to bring future and present and past all into one. Eh?
So Queen Street looked like once.
Might have, yeah, without all that. But
Sorry, it was Queen Street before?
yeah, it's like a river.
It was a river here
Yeah, yeah, it's still here. It's underneath. It's called the Wai Horotiu, and then they turned it into the Ligar canal, and then it just got too much sewerage, so they just poured
train
it out.
station, underground train station, then you catch it up.
There's still springs. That's why they can't build buildings in here and in the basement theatre car park. Because it's too-
Now, what's the part for it?
I was actually quite buzzy. Always get the local characters around here coming and saying what's up.